Thursday, January 15th, and it's +4 this morning and -17 Celsius right now. Blowing snow and big wind. Huge weather change here just in the space of 12 hours. Not even 12 hours. And Dad and Aidan, I've got a bunch of wiring out here. Hopefully there's not so big problem. But just got off the phone with the loan officer for the red wide gauge. And the other customer messaged me here this morning wanting to know an update. I'm gonna have to check in with Dad and Aidan and find out what's going on. Okay. So we're looking at some gauges here in the wiring, and we'll find out what's going on. Anyways, Dad has the door propped open here, and that must be the gauge that he's gotten taken out. Tools all over the place, so not quite done just yet, but getting closer. And these guys might have been working on the engine here today, but there's a pile of water all over the ground, so I don't know where that came in from. But Dad's got the battery charger out, so must have to charge up the battery again. Quinta Santa Maria is late in the day. What are you doing here? Eh? You got your treats already, baby. Okay, well, I'm going to let these guys do their gauge install and wiring and check back in with them.
Power wires were loose on the terminals.
Yeah, I remember that yesterday.
And they burnt out 2 gauges.
Oh, wow.
And if you're not careful, it'll fool around there and get so hot that it'll get the wires on fire.
Yeah.
And then unless you have a fire extinguisher, you can't put this out. There's too many wires, too much plastic.
So thankfully Dad and Aidan caught this in the nick of time before it was going out. And sure handy to have a young fella that can reach underneath there and otherwise.
Yep. Okay. Now, when you're ready, you hook up their ground and whatnot. I still want to put power on and check that green wire.
Yeah, we have to put an eyelet on the green wire because it's got a quick connect on it.
Hey?
It's got a quick connect on that green wire. So
now, I'm ready for that end. Is this end here? You test with a test light.
Yep, I will.
Dad was just testing the horn and the lights here. We didn't get it on camera. But he really wants to wrap up this machine because the guy needs it back. Oh, there's the lights. So he reinstalled the front box here today. He had some welding to do and he wanted it to be able to be pulled off so that you can get easy access to the front panel. And I guess they burnt out 1 gauge with the bad wiring, and that's why he's working on the wiring here. It was the old wiring. I guess it just wasn't contacting correctly, and it was causing a burnout. So it's little things like this that just hates because it just adds onto the job, adds onto the job, adds onto the job. It's not exactly as clean cut as you would want to be here. And we have you know, we quote a job, but everybody might think in their brain, well, it's just this and this and this and that's it. But there's like 40 additional steps. One thing can go wrong, and then you got to trace back other different things, and it's like wiring and stuff like that that can be a real big problem.
Get the big wires.
So end of the day here, so I suspect it's going to be another long day here. Probably won't get out here till 5:30 or more. My old pecker-headed dog decided he wanted to come in and avoid all the blowing snow. Emily just went out, but he might stay in here tonight. Hey, Charles? Yeah.